Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, add a gradient to a line in Photoshop. See this many lines. First of all, I added to one line, or you can edit single line gradient. I added example all line. Then hold shift, select all line, right click, convert to smart object. Again right click, raster as line. Then click the effects, gradient overlay. And select the gradient color style. Okay, and use single line, back, radial, angle, reflected. Okay.